What is up out there? Finally again, some time for some reaction videos, and I'm super glad today that I found some time to make it. And we are focusing on a band that I have no clue of. I just noticed that it has been popping up here and there on almost every metal-related channel or anything that is metal, basically. A band called Netherwalker, and apparently they do some really crazy deathcore-inspired craziness. So I have no clue. I've never heard of it. The song is called Battle of Tredem. And yeah, I'll think we just jump straight into it and get excited, shall we? So here we go, Netherwalker, the Battle of Tredem. Damn, what is this? Ooh. Definitely some Archspire in there. Disembodied Tyrant. Okay. Okay, I get where the craziness is coming from. Everybody was saying this is some crazy shit, so... That's nasty. The bend. Fine ass sweeping there. Okay, this is definitely crazy. I like it so far. Ooh. Ooh. There's just so much going on. I'm exhausted. We are only like, what, a few minutes in. Okay. What is this? Are we done? Well, this was 4 minutes of absolute insanity. Wow, I'm sweating. I'm seriously drenched in sweat. This is some crazy ass shit, honestly. I think I have to go through this like a few times. There's so much going on in the song. It's definitely deathcore. It's definitely, yeah. I hear a lot of Archspire and Disembodied Tyrant. Those really like super weird song structures, but somehow it makes sense, and I like it. I would definitely not listen to this while driving to work. I would cause an accident for sure. But it's seriously fun. I get where the hype is coming from, so for sure. Okay, Netherwalker. Well, I'm not sure what to think of this. I do enjoy it, but it's just kind of random and weird, and somehow it makes sense. So isn't that the beauty of metal music? Sometimes you stumble upon this weird, seriously weird bands that pop up. This has also like Wujarta and Thal, Mirar elements in there. So it's like a new, like let's call it post-deathcore kind of thing. This is probably the new big thing, which is happening in the global scene. There's a lot of deathcore emerging once more, and with this sort of craziness in it. So I'll take it. I'll take it for sure. I hope you like this reaction video. In any case, the song will be featured anyway, so you can listen to the whole thing without me reacting to it. But I'm sure you will definitely, have some laughs for sure, because this has some serious, weird, crazy elements going on. So yeah, and we'll see each other for the next reaction video. Until then, cheers.